What's up, guys? Today we're going to be correcting my speedo on the 06 GSXR 600. Got a, I think it's called a SpeedoDRD. I don't know if it's a SpeedoDRD. I don't know what it is, but purchased it through Motodummy. I think 12 O'Clock Labs is the original maker. Got my helper here today. My other helper's over on the side there. But this is the adapter that we're going to be installing. So you can kind of see here. It's got a little programmable button on the back there. Oops. And what we're gonna be doing is putting it in line with this little speedo sensor here. So in just a moment, I'm gonna get the little frame cover off, get the seat off, prop the tank up, and we'll get into it. All right, so I ended up putting the bike on the rear stand. It was just kind of awkward working at an angle there. But we got the side frame covers off, seats off, loosened up the little screw on the back side of the tank here, got the tank propped up. Always like using a hammer. Anyway, so I've located the sensor. It is this guy right here. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna unplug that, turn the power on, spin the rear wheel, and make sure that I'm not getting any reading, just so we confirm that I've got the right thing unplugged. All right, so I've got what I believe to be the speed sensor unplugged. We're gonna confirm. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna spin the rear wheel here and see if it reads anything. Nothing. Perfect. That's what we want. So now we're gonna connect the little adapter here. So I'm gonna run this into the female side here, and then I'll run this into the existing cable. So let's see here. Kind of tight quarters. Let's see. I don't know how well y'all are gonna be able to see around my hands. Okay, so that appears to be the top side. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so that is clicked into place. We've got that part attached. Now for the part that we unplugged, which is right here, we're gonna attach this side. Hey, stop. Thank you, buddy. All right, so now we're gonna connect this side. Okay, that is all connected. So I don't know how well you can see in there, but we have essentially put this in the middle of the connection there. So now I'm going to test and see if we've got power to the module. So now we're going to go ahead and program it. So my speedo is off. I think the math came out to like 6.2%. So I think I was at 68 miles an hour indicated. GPS speed was somewhere around like 63.8, something like that. So ends up to be about negative 6.2%. So what we're gonna do is turn the power on, make sure we've got a quick flash of red and green. So let's see here. Okay, so that's what we want. So then we're gonna go into percentage programming mode, which you hold the button down for 5 red pulses, and then you release. 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good. That's what we want. So now we hold the button down until it turns red, then we release. That's for negative. There we go. So we're doing negative percentage. So now I need to do 10 red blinks for 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I need to do 6 for the 6%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And now I need to do the 2 for the 0.62%. 1, 2. All right, that is it. It's programmed. we are good to go. I'm gonna spin the wheel and we'll confirm that we're getting a speed reading. All right, here we go, test. All right, we registered speed. We are good to go, guys. That's it. I just wanted to show y'all real quickly how I routed it so it connects underneath there. I fished the line through right here, ran it up the side of the battery, and then right here is where I've got it hiding out. So it's under the seat. If I need to get to it to program it, I can just pull it out, and then I've got good access to it if reprogramming is necessary. But yeah, that is how to install and program the 12 O'Clock Labs SpeedoDRD. Thanks, guys.